So we are back for the unboxing of a new gear I received from K&F Concept. If you saw my previous video, I received the filter for DJI Avata, and in this box there is something a little bit different, which I'm gonna carry I think every day with me. Let's use a knife just to remove here the top shelf. So, as you can see, that's a very nice backpack. You saw already earlier in the intro. Let's open it a little bit more. You got this nice bag and this pocket here, which is currently locked. You just have to remove this, open it, and you have different parts when you can put your gear. Here, something with stripes. The design of the bag is pretty cool. It's not like any common photography bag. Here I think I will put here all the filters, cable, extra things I need. And down here you have something you can split just to put either your gear or your photography gear on things like that. You have an extra pocket here just to put a tripod or any a bottle of water. Here on the side you got this pocket with the easy access, and this is where you use all these separators just to configure the bag the way you want. So I will configure it right away, and I will show you how I'm using it for my FPV and drone content. So actually I'm really impressed by the fact that I've managed to put everything in this bag. I used to use this big one, which was my historical backpack from Manfrotto, and everything now is just in that one. So you can see there is plenty of space in this bag. On the top pocket here I managed to put all my IDs, things I need, and there is also a cap to protect your bag from the rain, so I think I'm gonna keep it always with me. The back of the pack is with foam, seems to be very comfortable. Once carrying a lot of gear with you, you still get this here, this clip, just to put it on your back. On the side you have the easy access pocket, where I put it here, my Insta360 in its box. I still have some room for SD cards and so on. here in this front pocket, I've put it some cables, adapters, and the filter, also from KNF Concept. Here, with these two attached, I've opened and put all kind of adapters, tripod, even this box with where I put all my chargers for the Avada, the 360 com, and so on. But what I do like about this bag is that you also have in the back down here this extra pocket where you can easily access to all the gear that you need. You can open it this way. There's my landing pad, and I've managed to put my Avada with the goggle here, the necklace to hold it if I need it, and right behind the remote, and there is still some space to add some gear, extra gear if I need to, the pocket. So I think this bag, it's gonna be very comfortable and really lighter than the Manfrotto one I used to carry with me. Stay tuned for the update about how I'm using in live conditions on my Instagram account. Follow me there if you want to see the bag in action, and I will see you guys in the next video.
I hope you enjoyed the video. Once again, if you do like my content, please subscribe here on my YouTube channel, turn on the bell, and follow me on Instagram to see all the content you can make with drone. Stay tuned.